Hey, did you see gold prices today? They hit $3,703 an ounce. Yep. They backed down from that a bit, only up $10. So what did they close at? About $3,688. I call the bottom of gold in September of 2023 when it hit $1,850 an ounce. I was on King World News. Eric King will tell you. He says it. And I call the bottom. And then September, October, November, December, January, we said it's going to boom. And it's been booming. And the boom has just begun. We are on the cusp of the worst geopolitical and socioeconomic collapse in my lifetime. And it's going to be human history.
In today's precious metals news recap, silver steals spotlight, charging toward 50 while gold pauses. Precious metals remain firmly bid, but leadership has shifted. Gold's rally stalled just ahead of a key Fibonacci projection, while silver broke out to a new 14-year high. Both metals remain supported by a mix of geopolitical risk, policy divergences, and strategic investor demand for hard assets. Silver's case is probably more compelling. The market faces a prolonged supply deficit and tightening physical availability, giving its rally deeper structural foundations. This dynamic, coupled with strong investor interest, has pushed prices higher and opened room for further gains on both near-term and medium-term horizons. Near-term, silver will remain bullish above former resistance at 39.49, now turned support. Next target is 61.8% projection of 28.28 to 39.49 from 36.93 at 43.85. Decisive break there could prompt upside acceleration to 100% projection at 48.14. Now smash the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you do not miss out our daily recaps, and go to goldsilverstacks.com to get the Numismatics Handbook, the perfect guide for stackers who want to get active trading gold and silver coins instead of selling their gold and silver bullions for fiat. Enjoy the episode.
And that's why gold prices are going up, but you're not allowed to talk about it, so we won't tell you another word about it. Bitcoin, what did we say when it was down to $110,000, $111,000 a coin? This stuff's going to keep going up. The Trump family, and again, your articles in the Trends Journal keep saying it week after week, month after month, since he's gotten in there. His team, his family's in it. They're making billions of bucks. So today, Bitcoin's hanging around about $117,000 a coin and going up. So it's going to be bullish on it. It's not what you like, what you want, what you wish for. It's what is. And it's just going to keep going up. And oil prices. Go back to your Trends Journal. How long have we been warning that Europe is going to keep supplying Ukraine and the United States, supplying Ukraine with more weapons to attack deeper into Russia? And they're going to blow up their oil facilities, pipelines, depots, etc. And that's exactly what's happening. But oil prices haven't gone up that much. But Israel is going to keep ramping up their Middle East war. The Arab nations are doing nothing to stop them. If Israel attacks Iran, you're going to see oil prices spike. And when oil prices spike, it's going to crash the global economy. And again, get ready for the dot-com bust, because that's coming as well. So there we got it. Bitcoin trading in the 117,000 range. Could you imagine 170? Oh, by the way, they're coming out with that. They're talking about this coin that they're going to have backed by gold. That thing could really, really, really change things. And we have an article in here. World Gold Council proposes digital bullion. This thing could wipe out a lot of these cryptocurrencies, to make it really clear. And if this happens at the level where they're trying to push it, you can see gold prices hit $10,000 an ounce. It's the future. It's digital. Love it, hate it, want it, don't want it. not the issue. As trend forecasters, you call it the way it is, not the way you want it. But it's going to keep going up. The economic update, market overview. And what else do we have? Trends on the global economic front. And again, a golden year for gold. So as interest rates keep dropping, the trade deficit will keep rising. And as the trade deficit keeps rising, so too will inflation. And the higher inflation goes, the higher gold prices go. This is just the beginning. Just the beginning. It's going to be the goldest shining year of gold since back in the late 1970s and early 1980s. It's probably going to eclipse that.
In today's news recap, silver price holds $42 as Fed rate cut and charts signal breakout. Silver rose on Monday to $42.27 as traders positioned for the U.S. Federal Reserve's policy meeting. Like gold, silver is benefiting from expectations of a quarter-point rate cut despite a stronger dollar that briefly capped the move. The U.S. dollar index edged 0.1% higher, making dollar-denominated metals less attractive to foreign buyers. Market sentiment is split between short-term profit-taking and optimism that looser monetary policy will support safe haven demand. Despite inflation data last week coming in above forecasts, analysts don't think it will derail the Fed's dovish stance. That's keeping silver in the spotlight, especially as industrial demand remains strong. Silver is respecting an uptrend channel with higher lows. It's trading above both the 50-period moving average at $41.21 and the 200-period moving average at $38.10. The strength of the trend is evident. Key levels to watch: resistance at $42.45. Breakout could target $42.85 and $43.25. Now we'll show you the best clips of the latest interview, but first, smash the subscribe button, hype the video, and check goldsilverstacks.com to get the Stacker's Handbook, the ultimate guide to trade the gold-silver ratio and stack efficiently without relying on market commentators. Link in the pinned comment. Let's get back into the episode.
And great articles by Gregory Mannarino. Hidden banking crisis. A backdoor bailout is already in place, but this cannot be contained. Trends in Technocracy by Joe Duran. Yep, the same technocrats are pushing AGI and HGE. A whole load of AI. AI is the future. Again, love it, hate it, don't want it, want it. But again, China's taken over. You're looking at the Asian markets, why they're going up. They're betting on AI, and they're betting that Asia, particularly China, is going to lead the race, which we had said, go back to our Trends Journal, .com bust 2.0. Yeah, when was that? Let's see, February 5th? Yeah. The Chinese are going to take this over, and they're well overinvested in these other AI companies in the United States. They're making no money, losing money, but you can't talk about that. Again, the markets are flat today, down a little bit. They went down, but nothing really big. But the big is going to happen, and it's going to happen soon. And tomorrow, of course, the Federal Reserve is going to meet, and the 100% bet on the street that they're going to lower interest rates at least 25 basis points. And the bet on the streets, they're going to keep lowering them and lowering them, lowering them, and the facts are there for everybody to see. The lower interest rates go, the deeper the dollar falls. And what happened? Trump wants a weaker dollar. It's all in your economic update. You ready? Here's what he said. Trump said he wants not a weak dollar, but a weaker dollar. He said that, quote, you make a hell of a lot more money with a weaker dollar. When you have a strong dollar, you can't sell anything. It's only good for inflation. And it's good psychologically. It makes you feel good. Can you imagine that? It's like inflation. Inflation keeps going up. Oh, it didn't go up that high. Yes, it did. Oh, there's an article in your Trends Journal. about how much it's costing now. Business health insurance costs skyrocketing. Yeah, wonder why. Got blimpitis all over the country. 70% of the people are overweight, 42% are obese. Again, Ringling Brothers and Barnum and Bailey Circus went out of business. You don't have to step right up, see the fat man. Now they're everywhere. And again, first book I worked on back in the 1980s, Natural Healing. So I put my money in my heart where my soul is. Try to stay in the best shape I can. And again, people they're eating ultra processed food. Again, we got the articles in your Trends Journal week after week, month after month, year after year. Yeah. And it's just terrible. So going back to gold prices are going to keep going up as interest rates keep going down, and interest rates go down, inflation goes up. And when you think about Trump and what he said about why he likes a cheaper dollar, again, we only put the facts in your Trends Journal. You ready? We go into Trump world. This is a positive for America's 100 largest tech-heavy companies, who, according to Goldman Sachs, generate nearly 45% of their revenue from overseas business. And this accounts for nearly 30% of their revenue. So you got it, a cheaper dollar, they do more. And look what just happened. All your articles are here about Trump meeting with the geeks. Remember they just had that big thing a couple of weeks ago? So he's all in favor of the weaker dollar to push the tech people up, and again, he's totally invested in the crypto world, and they're part of that.
What do you think of Celente's take? Will gold continue to rise in the fourth quarter of 2025 and beyond? Are we approaching a major top in the global markets? Post in the comment section down below your honest opinion. Subscribe if you have not yet done so. And check this video right here because it's a perfect fit for you, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for watching.